Hi, my name is Sean Fuller, and for my hackathon submission, I made a semantic search system over Amazon reviews. The two main components are a recommendation system based on a natural language query input by the user, as well as a chat component that aggregates information from the reviews. The prototype app provided good results, and it would be cool to see Amazon or other e-commerce platforms implement something like this. So I'm just going to give an overview of the system, then run through an end-to-end example. So for my data source, I used Apify to scrape the top 1,000 laptops and desktops on Amazon, as well as the reviews for those products. I got embeddings for the natural language fields using OpenAI, and I stored those in Pinecone alongside the product specs, which is stored as metadata. Then I hooked up my Pinecone index to Streamlit front end for the UI. So the UI allows users to do a hybrid search, so to filter first by product specs, and these selections are then used as metadata filters when querying Pinecone. So this is normal, just RDBMS type filters. And then it also allows the user to enter in a natural language query, which is used to rank the results of the metadata filter. So it's an interesting problem of how to aggregate the latent information in the reviews at the product level in order to arrive at product level recommendations. I tried out a couple different approaches, one of them being combining the embeddings from the product description fields with a weighted average of the review embeddings, where the weighting mechanism was like the number of people who found this review helpful field. But I found that using only the reviews produced better results, which makes sense seeing as there's more review text available. So I ended up just using an average of only the review embeddings for the ranking. So here it's just showing the top result, and then that page, in addition to the product specs, includes the most relevant review to the user's query. So moving into the chat portion of it, uh, scrolling up and clicking into that second tab, the user can input any question that they want, and another semantic search is performed just on that particular product. So you can see here that you're able to kind of extract sentiment information strictly about specific aspects of the product, such as the touchscreen in this case, which is generally traditionally a pretty difficult task to do. And there's a whole field devoted to it called aspect-based sentiment analysis. So this performs that well. So here's just the kind of full run through the app. Filtering for desktops, um, looking at the ability to play a popular GPU intensive game, clicking on the top result there. And again, you can see here that in this case, it does match a keyword um, match to the query in the name of the game. In the prior example, that did not happen. It was just, kind of exploiting the semantic search aspect of it. And then going to the reviews here, this is using it's essentially doing something similar to LangChain, but it's aggregating the most relevant reviews and cramming them together, feeding it to GPT-4, and then asking it the user question based on those reviews. And you can see here that produces a good result. So yeah, give it a try. Thanks for watching.